When you see so many equations with square roots, don't try to brute force them. Haven't I taught you the substitution method? Use it boldly. Look at this problem. It says the square root of 4x plus 7 plus the square root of 4x plus 5 equals the square root of x plus 8 plus the square root of x plus 6. Don't try to brute force it. If you do, after squaring both sides, you'll still have square roots left, right? You'll have to square again, and brute forcing it is really exhausting. I've talked about the substitution method before. The more complicated the expression, the more you need to use the substitution method and make assumptions. With such a big chunk, treat it as a whole. The whole thing is A, it's a whole B, it's a whole C, it's a whole D. That's the first step. So what about the second step? The second step is to find the relationships between A, B, C, and D. Look for any connections. The first relationship is that A plus B equals C plus B. This is given directly in the original problem, right? The first relationship, write it down first. A plus B equals C plus D. Then look for the second relationship. Pay close attention and observe carefully. This is 4x plus 7, and this is 4x plus 5. If you subtract b squared from a squared, isn't that a constant? If you take its square minus the other square, doesn't that equal 2, right? Now look inside. If you subtract d squared from c squared, isn't that also equal to 2? The x cancels out, right? See, I've got another equation. A squared minus b squared equals 2, doesn't it? It's also equal to c squared minus d squared, which is also 2, right? Isn't there this relationship? Yes, this is the second step. Pay attention. This is subtraction. Don't write it wrong. This is subtraction. Now, isn't this the difference of squares formula? Let's expand it. A plus b times a minus b. Right? It's equal to c plus d times c minus d, isn't it? Isn't this a plus b equals c plus d? So a plus b and this c plus d can be canceled out, right? Neither of them is 0, so we can cancel them. That means we get a minus b equals c minus d. We've got another equation. Now, if you combine this equation with the previous one and add the left sides together and the right sides together, won't the b terms cancel out and the d terms too? So 2a equals 2c, which means a equals c, right? So I found that a equals c. With a equal to c, can you figure out what x equals? What does a equals c tell us? It means that 4x plus 7 equals x plus 8. So 4x plus 7 equals x plus 8. Doesn't that let us solve for x? Move it over. So 3x equals 1, right? So x equals 1/3, right? You have to be careful when doing problems. Did you calculate it correctly? Substitute 1/3 back in and check it. You must verify your answer. Math is very precise, everyone.